I want to talk about the ceiling tile cover-up spray paint from Zinsser. I have a finished basement and we have a floating ceiling down there with ceiling tiles. And over the years, a couple of them have got a little bit dinged up. That was from a water leak. That was a little problem with the washing machine that had a little leak. So I needed to touch them up a little bit. That's why I got this. Super easy to use. You make sure you shake it really good and you just go back and forth. A couple little pointers that I found that work really well. Make sure you keep about 12 to probably 16 inches away from wherever you're spraying. That's going to help it kind of cover a little bit more evenly and reduce a little bit of the spray back. It didn't make too much of a mess around the rest of the room, which was great. However, I did put down a little throw tarp just to make sure to keep things a little bit clean. And you can see the finished results here. Looks really good. I'm going to hit that one again. If they're really deep and dark, you might have to go for a second coating, but overall, I'm very pleased with the outcome. If you'd like some for yourself, please click on the link in the description below.